This could be the car for you. The 2019 Ford F-150. With less than 45,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Take a closer look at this full-size F-150. It's the light-duty pickup that leverages military-grade aluminum alloy and high-strength steel to produce class-leading towing and payload capabilities. What's more, available options let you customize its hard-working bed so you can be more productive than ever before. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, four-wheel drive, fog lamps, remote engine start, backup camera, aluminum wheels, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth connection, Wi-Fi hotspot, passenger adjustable lumbar. Don't miss the opportunity to get into this F-150, the pickup that's at the head of its class. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.